Innovation is the only sustainable form of differentiation. Hi, welcome to this episode of NTT ComDD's Innovation News Update. My name is Hui Yong Xiong. In this episode, I'm going to show you the demo scenario of interacting with the Cisco ThousandEyes using the ChatOps approach. Typically, ThousandEyes configuration data and metrics, like the agents and test configure, test data generated can be retrieved via its web interface or its API. The integration with collaboration tools now provide a two-way communication where the user can request data from ThousandEyes from a chat room or collaboration channel. Apart from receiving notifications and alerts from various channels in the chat room, now the user can easily request customized data from ThousandEyes in a quick and efficient manner. Cisco WebEx allows us to create a bot which acts as a text-based remote control for external services. For example, in this picture scenario, the administrators would like to request for certain frequently accessed data. What the administrators need to do is to trigger the WebEx bot in the chat room together with the command issue. Then the WebEx bot will interpret the command and execute the defined task. The WebEx bot will communicate with ThousandEyes via API to retrieve the data requested, massage it into human-readable context, and post it back to the group chat system, in this case, Cisco WebEx. In this second scenario, the users have encountered issues where they try to access certain cloud service or internal system. Within Cisco WebEx, the users can trigger the WebEx bot in the chat room to launch IT self-help bots, which provides a menu to allow the users to select which service is having issue. From there, the WebEx bot will communicate with ThousandEyes via API to create the instant test using the endpoint agents installed in the user's machine to verify the connectivity issue. Once the test result is available, it will be posted back to the chat channel for the user to view it. Let's begin the demo now to see both the scenarios that I have mentioned. To begin, let's find out what are the capabilities of the WebEx bot that has been developed. By mentioning the WebEx bot together with the help command, the bot will provide us the list of functionalities available. Now let's go through each of them one by one. First, we would like to know what are the enterprise agents available. We can retrieve this information by /list enterprise agents command, and the bot will assist to list them down. Over here, we can see there are 4 enterprise agents configured, and all of them are currently online. Next, let's find out all the endpoint agents. Again, we will trigger the chatbot and issue /list endpoint agents command. In less than few seconds, all endpoint agents that have been configured will be displayed over here. In this output, I've customized the bot to show the OS version of each endpoint agent. Now, I would like to view all the tasks configured in ThousandEyes. I will trigger the chatbot and issue /list test command. And this will allow me to view all the tasks configured together with their test ID, test type, and test name. To retrieve more detail about a test, I can get the chatbot to do that by providing the test ID. Let me issue /test details followed by its test ID, say 239 7559 for Microsoft Office 365 login. Within seconds, the WebEx bot will return the details of this particular test, like its test URL, protocol, interval, and number of path traces. Also, if I would like to know the test result of this particular test, I can request from the bot too by issuing the command /test data followed by its test ID, which is 2397559. Immediately, the test results will be made available in this chat channel. In the second part of the demo, assuming now we are the users and we face certain issue to access some cloud services. From the chat channel, you trigger the self-help bot by this command call /self-help. The WebEx bot will then display a card menu for us to input the device hostname. And in this case, I will enter my own machine hostname desktop-mycbj-0 for checking. Next, I will select which application is having problem. And in this case, I select entity COM/DD intranet. Then click Submit. The WebEx bot will acknowledge that the request has been received and the checking is in progress now. What happened in the backend is that the Thousand Eyes will create an instant test using the endpoint agents installed in this machine that has been specified in the device hostname earlier. The test will run against entity COM/DD intranet application. Once the endpoint test result is available, which may take approximately a minute to complete, the test outcome will be written by the bot to be displayed in the chat channel. Let's give it a little bit more time for the test to complete, and the result will be made available in this chat channel. Alright, the test has been completed with the result written here. We can see the response code, the response time, packet loss, latency, jitter, etc. With this result, the user will be able to isolate where the issue is. Alright, that's all I would like to show in this episode. Thank you very much.